Bank of Thailand cuts interest rate after 4 years to boost economy. Bank of Thailand cuts policy rate for first time in 4 years. The Bank of Thailand's Monetary Policy Committee, MPC, voted 5:2 today to lower the key policy interest rate by 25 basis points to 2.25%, effective immediately. This marks the first rate cut since May 2020, as the central bank responds to mounting pressure from the government and private sector to reduce borrowing costs and stimulate the sluggish economy. The policy rate had previously been increased to 2.5% in September 2023. According to MPC Director Sakapop Panyanukul, the majority of committee members believe the rate reduction will help alleviate debt burdens without compromising efforts to reduce household debt ratios amid weak credit growth. He emphasized that the decision aligns with the country's economic potential. However, 2 dissenting members argued that maintaining the 2.5% rate would have been more appropriate, given the current economic environment and inflation trends, and would have preserved the central bank's flexibility to manage future uncertainties. Thailand's economic growth is now projected to reach 2.7% in 2024 and 2.9% in 2025, primarily supported by tourism, domestic consumption, and government stimulus efforts. Export improvements, particularly in electronics, also contribute to the outlook. Inflation is forecast at 0.5% for 2024 and 1.2% for 2025, with food and energy prices expected to exert additional inflationary pressure. Sakapop stated that the MPC supports encouraging financial institutions to assist borrowers through refinancing initiatives to ease debt burdens. The central bank's rate cut follows months of pressure from the government, with economists predicting further easing this year. Kobsidthi Silpachai, head of capital markets research at Bank, noted that factors like flooding, competition from low-cost Chinese imports, and factory shutdowns have compounded economic challenges. Miguel Chanco, chief emerging Asia economist at Pantheon Macroeconomics, suggested the rate cut was necessary given the rapid appreciation of the baht, predicting another reduction at the MPC's next meeting on December 18. Thailand, Southeast Asia's second-largest economy, continues to lag behind regional peers, weighed down by high household debt, borrowing costs, and soft export performance. Upgraded Lao-Thai border crossing sparks new trade and tourism opportunities. Lao-Thai border crossing upgrade unlocks economic opportunities. The Banvang border crossing between Mueang district in Vientiane province, Laos, and Loei province, Thailand, has been officially upgraded to a full international checkpoint. This enhancement is expected to boost tourism, trade, and investment, providing a significant economic lift to Vientiane province. The increase in cross-border commerce will drive socio-economic development in Laos, creating new opportunities for businesses and citizens in both Vientiane and Loei provinces. The resulting revenue is anticipated to accelerate growth and improve livelihoods on both sides of the border. On Tuesday, Vientiane province's government held a ceremony to mark the upgrade, attended by Deputy Minister of Foreign Affairs Foksay Kamphathon, Vientiane Governor Kamphan Sitadampha, and a Thai delegation. In his remarks, Governor Kamphan expressed hope that opening the Banvang border crossing to international traffic would foster stronger business cooperation, enhance tourism, and strengthen the relationship between Laos and Thailand. He emphasized that this development taps into the region's potential and will drive Vientiane province's social and economic progress. The expanded use of the checkpoint is expected to support Laos' efforts to escape least developed country (LDC) status and fight poverty. The timing aligns with Visit Laos Year, promoting Vientiane province as a gateway to renowned heritage sites in Luang Prabang and Siêng Khouang provinces, as well as tourist destinations in Zaisambun. The upgraded crossing will also facilitate smoother travel to Laos' northern, central, and southern regions. Governor Kamphan urged local authorities to improve nearby roads to accommodate heavy truck traffic and recommended equipping the checkpoint with modern facilities to ensure smooth transport to surrounding areas. He invited domestic and international businesses to explore investment opportunities in agriculture, trade, industry, services, and tourism. According to the Department of Immigration, Laos now has 31 international border checkpoints with neighboring countries, including Vietnam, Cambodia, Thailand, Myanmar, and China. The Banvang International Checkpoint is poised to become a key trade hub between Vientiane and Loei provinces, driving regional economic growth and symbolizing the deep friendship between Laos and Thailand. The Icon Group scandal, divided opinions, legal troubles, and political fallout. The controversy surrounding the Icon Group has escalated beyond the business world, now drawing in political figures and government officials. With nearly 1,500 complaints filed and damages surpassing 400 million baht, public interest has intensified. The case took a political turn after 3 audio clips, allegedly featuring conversations between CEO Waratthapon, boss Paul's Waratthapon, and a politician, surfaced online. These recordings referenced the deity, a high-ranking official from the Office of the Consumer Protection Board, OCPB, and suggested efforts to influence regulatory bodies in favor of the company. Though boss Paul confirmed the voice in the recordings was his, he denied bribery allegations involving a politician known as S. He insisted the clips were outdated and stated that mentions of payments were merely ideas about hiring consultants. Following his statement, however, the post was removed from his Facebook page. Government investigation and arrests. The Thai government has formed a 7-member investigative panel comprising representatives from the Attorney General's Office, the Anti-Money Laundering Office, AMLO, the Royal Thai Police, and others to scrutinize the OCPB's involvement. Meanwhile, the Central Investigation Bureau, CIB, has arrested all 18 suspects linked to the Icon Group, including CEO boss Paul and several celebrities. These individuals face charges of public fraud and spreading false information online. Officers also raided company offices and seized evidence as part of the investigation into the alleged pyramid scheme. Protesters rally in support of Icon Group. While the legal troubles mount, the Icon Group has vocal supporters. Led by the company's lawyer, Withhoon Kangnon, dozens of product dealers staged a rally outside Government House, asking Prime Minister Paetongtarn Shinawatra to intervene. They argued that the negative media coverage and legal issues have disrupted their business and caused customers to cancel orders. The supporters claimed the company's products were easy to sell without needing to recruit new members, contrary to complaints filed by alleged victims. Some dealers suggested that those who failed to make sales lacked effort, dismissing accusations of coercion. Allegations of fraud. Victims allege they were drawn in by affordable online sales courses, only to be pressured into investing up to 250,000 baht in unsellable products. Many were told to recruit new members to recover their losses, implying a Ponzi-like scheme. As the case unfolds, it remains unclear whether the Icon Group will be cleared or held accountable. Only further investigations and legal proceedings will reveal the truth behind the scandal. Thank you for tuning in today. To stay informed with the latest news, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay safe, keep dry, and have a wonderful day ahead.